Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 8 best free PLR websites. There you can download free PLR products for your online business. And at the end of the video guys, I'm going to show you the secret how to start your PLR product selling business. Okay, so stay tuned, don't skip this video guys. You can see this is my channel, has got 877 subscribers. I hope you will subscribe my channel. Okay, right now I'm just going to jump here 8 best free PLR websites. You can see all the 8 best free PLR website list is here. Okay, I'm going to introduce all of these websites, so stay tuned guys and watch this video till the very end, because end of the video I'm going to show you the secret method how to start your PLR product selling business. Okay, for zero money investment actually. Okay guys, you can see at first I'm going to show you buy quality PLR websites. Actually I just click here this websites link. Okay, and you can see this is the PLR buy quality PLR product websites. You can see here is the PLR store and the PLR products, PLR articles, and niche PLR, premium PLR, pre-PLR. Okay, you can see all those free PLR products here. Just click here and download your free PLR products. Also you can see here lots of premium products. Okay, you can see here premium products. You will be able to start your PLR selling business. I'm going to show you the secret method. End of the video I will give you a software guys. Okay, and number 2, very much popular this website that's called is PLR. Okay guys, and number 3, PLR Agile. This is also the best PLR products website. I recommend you, if you purchase any kind of PLR product, you can choose this website. Okay, and number 3 is Unstoppable PLR. Okay guys, here is the number 1 2 3 4. Sorry for this mistake. Unstoppable PLR is number 4 website. You can also download unlimited PLR products from here. And here is guys, you can see SQ PLR store, that means high quality PLR stores, offers.sqplrstore.com. this is the website link. You can see the Google Doc link in my video description below guys. Okay, so you have no problem to find out all of these websites. And here is guys the number 5, sorry for this mistake, number 6 actually, the PLR store. Here is the PLR store websites. You can see you will find unlimited free PLR products from here, from this website actually. And here is the number 7 website is free PLR downloads. This is the website link. Okay guys, and number 8, the last one is PLR.me. You can also download unlimited free PLRs from these websites. Guys, I recommend 3 websites if you want to purchase PLR product. And the number 1, buy quality PLR. You can also purchase PLR product from this website. You can also purchase PLR product from this website, PLR Agile, Assassin actually, the correct pronunciation is. And the last one is PLR.me. You can purchase from these websites. Okay, right now guys, I'm going to show you the secret how to start your own online PLR product selling business. Okay, I'm just going to jump here. This is the PLR sites websites, the sales page actually, and this is the PLR sites app that I'm going to show you. So what is PLR sites? Guys, PLR sites is a brand new self-updating PLR site creator that comes with a giant 25,000 plus ready to sell PLR products. If you purchase this software PLR sites, you can see lots of people purchase this software right now actually. brain from United States, just purchased PLR Sites. This product name is PLR Sites. I'm going to introduce all of these guys. This is a cloud-based software. If you purchase this software, PLR Sites, you will be able to build this type of PLR selling websites easily. Okay, and you can see 25,000 plus ready to sell PLR products as your own without any coding or designing skills at an unbeatable low on-time price. Now create self-hosted PLR sites and sell articles, audio content, ebooks, training videos, software scripts, themes, plugins, etc. under your brand name to business owners with the next generation PLR website creator launched till date. Guys, create stunning fully automated PLR sites with 25,000 plus ready to sell product to sell them anywhere. If you purchase this software through via my link in my video description below, you can see the PLR sites. Okay, I wrote the full review about this software PLR site. At first you read the full review, link in my video description below. If you read my full review and purchase through via my link, I will give you guys $3,745 bonuses. I will give you lots of software, lots of marketing materials, bonuses that will help you a lot. You can see guys, PLR.me, PLR.planner, PLR.me will charge you $3,500 per year. Here is the PLR planner is $997 per year. But this product, this website, this software actually, PLR site software, you can see, I'm going to show you everything. Only $19, just one-time payment, you will be able to build 25,000 plus ready to sell PLR products website like this, by quality PLR product like this type of website you will be able to create just 3 simple clicks. Okay, you can see the testimonial. There are real buyers. They purchase this software. Okay, here is, you can see guys, and now it's time to turn your worries into blessings in just 3 easy steps, and there is no huge investment or time needed. Okay, step number 1, login. Step number 2, publish site. You can see the members area look like this. Here is step number 1. Step number 2, your website look like this actually. Okay, and also better quality you can see here, and sell and profit guys. Okay, and here is, you can see they share lots of data here. Okay, and this software has got 2,000 plus sales and only 1% refund rate. That's why people love this software actually. Okay, you can imagine it, 2,000 plus sales and only 1% love the refund rate, so you can purchase it. I recommend you. Okay guys, I just quickly scrolling, you can check out step by step all the information. You can see this is the PLR Sites software, a brand new self-updating PLR site creator that comes with 25,000 plus ready to sell PLR products without any coding or designing skill at an unbeatable low on-time price. I hope guys you understand what is this software. Okay, this software will this software is actually a done for you software. This software will help you to make more money to sell PLR products. Okay, and this software inbuilt 25,000 PLR products also. And Tom from Canada, you can see, just purchase this PLR site software, and you can see guys, want to get started immediately. This is the demo. You can also watch this demo. Okay, before purchase this software, I recommend you, and $19 one-time payment. And this software guys will give you a 30-day money-back guarantee. I'm just going to show you right now. Here is everything what you will get if you purchase today. The price goes up, and you can see guys, PLR site is a risk-free investment for your bright future. Okay, and you can see 30-day 100% money back guarantee. So guys, I recommend you, if you want to really make money from online, you can purchase this PLR site software and you can sell PLR products like these. Okay, I hope guys you enjoy this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family who actually struggling to make money from online. and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon in my next video.